Hey everyone, this is Chris from ProphetAlerts. I'm going over ANDS. I guess you would say Anadys Pharmaceuticals. I don't even really know how to pronounce their name, but I have been trading this stock for a little while now. I know this stock pretty well. I actually can say that I would have to say 90% of the trades I make on the stock are profitable. It's not a it's not a very exciting stock. Sometimes it can take several days for it to finally make a move, and I can't say I trade it very often. But I wait for certain key levels to form on the stock, and I go long on the stock. I've never shorted this stock simply because I feel there can be news out any day and really pop this stock up. I'm bullish on the stock in the long term. I'm just waiting for a catalyst to really see it move here. But I've played it a couple times with Profit Alerts. I've sent out alerts. We've played it here when it dipped down. Actually bought it right here at like $1.74. There was an alert right on this dip because I knew that I was going to break this trend line and recover like it's done in the past. And we bought at 174 and immediately came back and rebounded. I can't say I capitalized on the entire move there, but what I've done is I've waited until it tested this level again and actually bought this stock on September 3rd. So I want to show you guys. Let's go to exactly September 3rd. I bought it right here because it was holding the 10-day EMA. It was right there flirting with it. There was a trend line, lots of consolidation, and I basically sent that alert to everybody, and we all got in at the same price. Stock didn't move anywhere, it made a little bit of run. There was like some sellers into it. It's just kind of been pretty sideways the entire day, the entire couple weeks, I should say, since September 3rd. So my prediction basically was this stock has had lots of recent insider buying. The technicals were consolidating. The stock was a little oversold. Nothing crazy though, but that I saw the stock consolidating and getting some type of catalyst or some kind of technical move to the upside. And I was looking for, and when I put in the alert, I said I'm looking for a goal of anywhere from over 2 to 225 based on the chart. And, some of my subscribers know I take profit a little bit early, but that's fine. I mean, it happens. I mean, it's kind of hard to pick the tops on these things. I do hold a lot of shares in my Roth IRA. I sold some of those recently, but overall I've been bullish on the stock. I'm holding some for the long haul. I think the stock is going to be a lot higher than it is today, but I could be wrong on that, but I do trade it just to make profits. So if I'm wrong, if the stock ever does tank and I'm completely wrong, I'm protected by a lot of profits I've used from trading around this core position I have in a long-term Roth IRA account. So anyways, the reason why I was predicting this is, like I said, because of insider transactions. I'm going to show you some tweets that I sent out where I gave this alert out free to my Twitter followers, along with my premium subscribers, just kind of as a free alert there. I knew it was going to be probably a little bit of a long swing trade here before I got some results. So I'm going to show you some tweets here. This was the first tweet that I had sent out. It was 17 days ago, and I just said that IDIX had a big drop on their hepatitis C clinical trials. You guys might recall the stock actually dropped, and it has some kind of bad news. I forget. I'd have to look it up. But they had some kind of bad news regarding their hepatitis C drug, and I thought it would be, it would do well for it. I believe I was already in that stock. It says 17 days ago, so I'm sure I was in that stock. I was in it already. So at that point, I'm kind of letting people know. So what I've done is at this time, I started telling my Twitter followers that there's a lot of insider buying. I was noticing QVT Associates, and I'm going to show you that here. They were buying lots of shares. As you can see here, lots of insider purchasing. So you have technicals lining up with what I believe are a good fundamental reason to be buying, especially with, I'll show you here too, especially with this type of insider buying, aggressive insider buying right here. So when you see a technical level that's consolidating, you're essentially seeing on a stock that doesn't trade much volume, lots of insiders or people. I don't even know if they're insiders. They're a beneficial owner. I don't even know what their role is, an institution or something, but they're purchasing this stock aggressively like this. And so I was bringing this up. The stock was around the $70s, $80s this whole time. And, here are my tweets. Great insider buying. QVT Associates are buying all dips. And then I just joked around like, why the hell are you still under $2? Wake up. That was 4 days ago. It was under 2. I believe it was like $1.85 or something. And then a couple days ago, or like a day ago, it says here, look at ANDS. Now it's at 205. But I did post something here when it broke. Maybe this isn't, it's showing the days out of order here, but 2 days ago I had said, right before it was at this 205, I said ANDS has an investor conference today. This is a couple days ago. The chart pattern is kind of shaping up. A break over the 199 level, the 50-day EMA, which was this, would be bullish. And this is what I was looking for. So, there it did break out, and I kept people tweeting, or I kept tweeting people and letting people know about this. I told everybody the breakout over the 50-day EMA. We got it. My mistake was I sold it at this trend line. I shouldn't have done that. I sold out my 3,500 shares that I used as an alert. I still hold a lot of my core position, but this move here, I just want to capitalize on it just because the overall market was looking a little toppy, and I don't know. I should have just listened to myself and held it. But what I did is that night I sent in my watch list. I said it's another possible rebuy if it can break $2. And some people actually jump back into that thing and went ahead and bought in on the break of $2. And you see what move it's made. My target almost a month ago now was 225, and as you can see here, the high was 230. So, you see, you pretty much see, where the stock had trouble right here. So right now I'd be a little bit worried about being long in it right now on a short-term basis, not long-term. The 200-day EMA and the 200-day moving average is critical resistance, and it doesn't look pretty much like it's going to have too much more momentum unless it can break this key level here. So going to watch it in the next week. It's definitely a stock I want to buy on weakness, but not after this big run yet. It could continue, so I think a break over the high of the 230 would be a definite catalyst to go long again, but just going to see how it goes. But just wanted to show you guys, and congratulations to anyone who capitalized on this move here. Thanks a lot, and good luck with your trading. Thanks.